Finland is a beautiful country. It has an abundant nature, but the density of the population is low. Lake Saimaa is the fourth biggest lake in Europe and a labyrinth of nearly 14,000 islands. By the lakeside, there are some small towns, villages and summer cottages, but also a lot of nearly uninhabited areas. In Puumala, our home region, canoeing is a unique way to get to know Lake Saimaa. A trip on the lake in a canoe, surrounded by clean nature, is a very diverse, fun and efficient form of exercise. Nature sets the rules for your paddling trip. You lead a simple life, but at the same time you feel happy, and it gives you a peace of mind. Here, you'll take a journey to the basics of life. Canoeing suits almost everyone. It is safe when you use high-quality equipment, have professional guides, and plan your trip well. As a taster, you could take a beginner's course or paddle with a guide to the nearby island on a warm summer's day. If you wish to go on a longer adventure, you can go out on your own or with a guide and paddle for several days. Or combine canoeing and biking. Biking gives you a totally different view of the Lake Saimaa area. There are 4 almost totally different seasons on Lake Saimaa, and the changing seasons and varying conditions offer plenty of challenges. Fresh air at late autumn and the melting ice in the spring can be new experiences even for the seasoned paddlers. Why not take a winter canoeing course and learn new skills with us? Go canoeing with your family, friend, in a group of friends or with a partner and enjoy natural quality time together. Leave your busy schedules behind and take time to listen to yourself. It is easy at the Lake Saimaa, and we would like to share this experience and the unique living environment with you. We invite you to adventure the Lake Saimaa all year round with us. Spend your holiday in nature, powered only by your muscles, and make a choice for sustainable tourism and for a better world.